From my digital research story outline that I turned in last week, my basic research question I came up with is advancements and how to searching technology and how that would affect searching behavior on people. And then the first basic search that I want to look for is a broad information, and hopefully I can find something that can narrow down to my research question. If not, I will have to change my research question accordingly, but hopefully I can find relevant information for my searches. So my first search statement is advancements searching information series. So this is a keyword search. And basically what Google is doing is in between each keyword that I entered, there's an and Boolean operator. So they're searching everything that has these words in it, these right here. So then going through all these, I'm reading the descriptions and the title to see if anything interests me. The first result that I see that seems kind of interesting is basically this one because it's saying like what is Siri, so it's basically explaining and then possibly something about how it can affect other people within the search. So this is the first result that I clicked. And with this, to see if it's credible or not, I'm going to look for an author or about author page. And this seems like a link where I can press to see that. I won't do that because I don't have time. And what is LinkedIn? I used this before, and this link basically tells the user what is the website and why it would be credible. And then from this search or result, it seems like there's information that I can use to focus in more onto my research question. This is the second source that I looked at, and it has basically the same things as the first result. I have a place to contact the author, a place to see where the author or other works of the author, and there's About Me page, which is on the bottom. And this source is very big. And from that result, I'm going to search information about human search, and this is my second very broad search statement. It seems to be yielding not successful results for me because it's a lot of random information that I don't feel like going through. So then I'm going to narrow in my, and I did this by using a Boolean expression. I put search behavior in quotations, and I added Siri to hopefully find information about what I'm looking for, which is advancements in technology. And I found out from the last source that Siri is one of those advancements. And from this, we can see that 70 million results were found. And then from this, we got 9,000, which narrowed down by a lot. This is a first I found that was interesting to me because I read the title and the description on the Google search. And then from going through the search or the source, I see that the information is not that relevant because Siri has been updated a lot lately, and Siri has just came out recently. So then I need the most relevant and up-to-date information. So I will not use this source, but it still does. The source still seems credible because it still has the author of it, the about, and then same as the other sources. And there's also a reprint which can cite the source. I pressed on it before, and it gave us citations to the source. Then this is the second result that I got from my second search statement. And again, this source has a place where I can see the author. Seems outdated, but then if I had more time, I would look at other information. But this seems like it is causing problem for a searching behavior. So then I want to go in depth and look for search behavior problems and then start broad with and this is my very broad search statement. And if I had more time, I'll add Boolean expressions and try to narrow in my results because this is way too many results. And then from here, I'm gonna check out a couple sources and see if there's anything, what are the behaviors, and then hopefully connect it to my Siri research and then add Boolean expressions with Siri, and then after I look at these information. And then this seems like a very interesting source because it's .edu, very credible, .education, which is a website, usually from colleges or educational place, and it's also a PDF, so someone actually made it. Oh, so going through this, I see that it's an actual book. So this is information that is very, very credible because it's been published and copyrighted by someone, and people has paid money to do this. So this is diving into a different source rather than a search engine. And if I had more time to do this research, I would go to databases and look for more scholarly articles and peer review articles about the information and advance my research from there.